Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to recover deleted Hamster Kombat account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily recover your permanently deleted Hamster Kombat account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I will be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, very soon Hamster Kombat will be listed and CEOs are going to make a lot of money, so make sure you don't do any mistake on your Hamster Kombat account, so that your account don't get banned or deleted permanently. So you have to be very careful, and if you are mining Hamster Kombat, it is very necessary to review their community guidelines terms, so their conditions. So you can see Hamster Kombat community guidelines over here, so you have to read them because it is very necessary to avoid any troubles. So in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to recover your deleted Hamster Kombat account. So now for the first solution, I will advise you to first of all update your Instagram account. So if you're using update your Telegram account. So if you're using Android or iOS, open your App Store or your Play Store and then update your Telegram account, because we all know that Hamster Kombat deals with Telegram. So you need to make sure your Telegram is updated to the latest version in the first place. Now open your X. So open your X, your Twitter, and once you open your X, search for Hamster Kombat, and once you open Hamster Kombat, you can see the message option over here. Click on this message option, and once you click on this message option over here, all you need to do is to just write this. So write what I'm about to write over here. Now all you need to do is to write to Team Hamster Kombat, please, my account has been deleted and I don't know why. I can't see my coins anymore. Please help me to recover my account. Then you add your CEO name. So if it is Freedom, then you add Freedom, which is your the name on your Hamster Kombat account, the CEO, and they will ask you informations or details concerning the account, what shows the account belongs to you, and they will easily help you to recover your account through X, because they are very active. Hamster Kombat support team is very active on X, so they will help you to recover your account. They will attend to you for you to recover your Hamster Kombat account. So for the second method, all you need to do is to open your email over here. Once you open your email, click on compose, and then you can see over here. It means we are writing to Team Hamster Kombat, to support at Hamster Kombat hamsterkombat.com. So you can see over here support@hamsterkombat.com. Now you can see subject. So for the subject, recover. So you can see for the subject, recover my deleted account. Then you compose. I have already written something here, so you can also copy the same. So you can see, dear Team Hamster Kombat, I'm writing to request assistance in recovering my permanently deleted Hamster Kombat account. My account name was, then you insert the account name, and I accidentally deleted it. On the date is optional, you can choose to skip that. I understand that permanent deletion is final, but I'm hoping there might be an exception or a way to recover my account. Thank you for your time and assistance. Sincerely. Then you add your name. Once again, this is very simple, and once they receive this email, they will easily attend to you, and they will help you to face your deleted Hamster Kombat account. So with these easy steps, you can easily recover your permanently deleted Hamster Kombat account. So please, very soon CEOs are going to make a lot of money from Hamster Kombat. So if your account is active, you need to make sure you discipline yourself. You need to make sure you follow the rules and regulations so that your account don't encounter any problem. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more updates on Hamster Kombat and other tech updates.